Hi traders, hope you're having a great start to the week. I'm on the dollar CAD, got my monthly, weekly, daily support and resistance levels all drawn in. They're in the description below. I'll just discuss the ones closest to price action. Now the dollar CAD closed above what is monthly support at the moment, 132.62 last week, and we are still holding above that Friday into Monday's trading. So can 132.62 hold as support to continue this day chart uptrend to move above 133.01 weekly resistance. Of course, support could break, and if it does, watch for support to become resistance for then a decline. So key level to watch at the moment is 132.62. Can that uptrend hold on support to move higher? Alright, trades on to dollar franc. Dollar franc closed below 89.01 weekly support. We did actually test it yesterday, but can we get a further test of that level this week? Look to sell a rally. Can we rally back to 89.01, hold as resistance this week for a further decline to test now weekly support at 88.20 and potentially move below that level. So can the decline continue this week to test 88.20 weekly support? Alright, trades on to dollar yen. Now we're moving down to a lower bottom here on the day chart, broken below the last high bottom here, and we're a bit overextended, coming towards day support at 140.92 to 140.44. So does this area offer support in the short term for a rally back up to test 142.17, that's monthly now resistance, and 142.24 daily resistance? Do we then form a lower top for potentially a further decline? Alright, trades on to euro pound, a bit consolidatory. It's still struggling at what is monthly support. We did close below there by the end of last week, but we are back above it as I talk, and we are below now what was weekly support at 85.65. Is that becoming resistance? You can see that we rejected it yesterday. So this week, are we starting to erode support, and we might see another test of 85.65? But is that now resistance for a move down to test weekly support at 85.18? Are we slowly but surely grinding down? Pound dollar is a lot stronger than the euro dollar at the moment, so we may well just see a grinding down of this support to test 85.18 weekly support, and maybe we can move down to test the 8500 level this week. Alright, trades on to the New Zealand yen. Now last week it failed at monthly resistance 89.68, and yesterday we've moved below this level of monthly resistance 88.16. So two monthly tops moving back below or failing at, and changing the trend on the day chart here. We traded below 87.59, so I would be watching as a trader for a rally back to what I'm now classing as monthly resistance once more, 88.16. Can we rally back to that level, hold to put in a lower top on the day chart for a move down this week to challenge 87.30 weekly supports? And are we able to move below that level this week? So a definite reversal here on the cards. Can we rally back to 88.16? Does that hold as resistance for a further decline this week? Alright traders, last pair to review, New Zealand dollar for today. Now be aware we've got the interest rate decision tomorrow, so a little bit difficult to trade the New Zealand crosses in the next 24 hours, but last week we closed at this significant level, 62.03 day resistance. We keep holding at this level. Can we move above this level this week to test weekly resistance 62.47, and can we move above that level this week. Potentially on the weekly chart we may be forming a higher bottom here, so that would be suggestive of at least coming up to test 62.47 and moving above. So can we test this level and move above? It could hold as resistance for a move back below 62.03. So when the interest rate decision comes out, we could definitely come up to test 62.47, and then do we break above, or do we simply hold for a reversal back below 62.03? So be careful on the interest rate decision. Can we move up to test 62.47 and move above this week? Okay traders, that's my analysis for today. If you want to keep up to date with my analysis, simply subscribe to the channel, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Now if you'd like to follow my Forex trading analysis throughout the week, why not subscribe to the ACY Securities live interactive trading feed Telegram channel. Simply contact Nathan Bray at acy.com to get access.
Are you looking to improve your trading? Join Duncan Cooper, Senior Market Strategist and Trading Mentor at ACY Securities, as he shares his knowledge on the global Forex markets. The upcoming webinars for this week: Forex Trading, Live Market Analysis. During this webinar, Duncan will review 12 currency pairs, determine the key support and resistance trading levels for the week ahead, discuss his favorite risk to reward trading opportunity, and answer your trading questions. 12th of July, how to use the MACD indicator in bull and bear markets and identify divergence. 13th of July, live Forex market review, identifying high probability trading levels. Don't miss these live interactive webinars that will help you improve your trading.